Whoa, I don't know how I'm gonna get to the other side. There's like rocks dividing. This is lovely. Let me go back in the water. Look at this, guys. Wow. The water is so warm. Tomorrow we're gonna go to another beach. Look at this. Tomorrow we're going to another beach. So I'm like super excited. That's where I'm trying to go. All the way over there. I don't know if you can see it. But all the waves are coming in. Oh my God, this is so beautiful and relaxing. I love it. This is what I needed. The beautiful island of Puerto Rico. I can't wait for tomorrow. Because tomorrow is going to be another adventure. See the waves coming in. So beautiful. Let me take a picture. Let's take a picture here. Oh, I'm the only one, too. I'm so the only one. All right, guys. I'm gonna upload this when I get home. I'm walking in the water. Enjoy my life. Wow. I don't know if I can make it all the way over there, but I'm gonna try. I'm walking too fast, I think. All right, guys. Bye. Take care. Have a blessed day.